Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Citizens Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Citizen Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find Citizen Bank. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you're already directed to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your credentials that includes your username and your password. If you are having trouble signing in, just click here. If not, then just simply log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.